welcome to How to Build Your Online Marketing Business System for your business. You're a PT, online or offline coach in the health and fitness industry, or you might even have your own studio or gym, and you're wanting to finally get your head around nailing down this process of generating high quality leads and clients into your business, which can then in return give you that confidence, predictability, sustainability of knowing how much revenue you're going to get each month, how you can grow, and you can actually get joy back from your business. Because doing things in the old school traditional way, like flyering, word of mouth, joint ventures with local businesses, is awesome, but it only gets you so far. It's not entirely measurable. So if you are banging your head against the wall and you want to know something different on how to do your marketing, then great, you're in the right place. Yeah, so this is video number 17, and I'm just going to presume that you want me to help you with me offering my 2-week free trial, where all the videos I've already been through in this video series I can actually do for you for free. It's my service I offer for free. I set everything up for you. I asked you to front up the £200 Facebook spends, and if you like the results that I get for you, then we can have an onward conversation, and we can then work together. However, if you want to do it all yourself, you can as well. But yeah, this video, I need your Facebook pixel. There was mention on why we need the Facebook pixel and how I can get the Facebook pixel, how you can get the Facebook pixel in a couple of videos ago. But this video is all about you getting me the Facebook pixel, so then I can have reins over the campaign, and then I can monitor using your Facebook pixel from your Facebook Ads Manager account. So, and then I can obviously see what I need to see when it comes to those results. So more to follow after this. Hi there, and welcome to this training. So I actually need your Facebook pixel because I'll be working in your Facebook Ads Manager account, and it will be from your account that I need information from, and the Facebook pixel provides that sort of data and key information on our campaign. So this right now that you can see on screen is the interface, one of the pages on ClickFunnels, and this is where we actually build out, or I essentially build out your campaign during the 2-week trial that we have together. So imagine that this was a snippet, a preview of what your landing page would be. What I actually need your code to do is to read the campaign. So this is like the main area of our campaign, and what I would need your Facebook pixel to do is again provide that information, and I would then need to place it here under the head tracking code. So what I need you to do is to go into your Facebook and to get the Facebook pixel code for me. So what you would do is go into your Facebook account, click here on that triangle, and it brings down these options. You go into your Manage Ads section of this part of Facebook, and it brings you here to your Facebook Ads Manager. Click on the 3 lines, which looks like a burger, and what you would need to do is go to Ad Account Settings. No, Events Manager. So here you can see this is actually my pixel, but this would be obviously in your Facebook account, so you'd be seeing your pixel here. So what you would need to do is go down to Add Events, click on that triangle arrow pointing down, click on From a New Website, and you would need to click this blue button here, Install Code Manually, Copy Code, and that's going to automatically copy your site. And what then you need to do is continue. Make sure this is turned on, turn on automatic advanced matching, continue again. I won't actually press continue because I don't actually need the code. And then you would actually post or send this code to me either by email or Messenger on Facebook, however you want to do it. But basically I need to then grab that code from you, and then I can go into my ClickFunnels account where your campaign is, and then post the code in here, and then I will go down and save, and that would then give me all the information I need to track the data of your campaign, so I can then make further decisions on what to do and how to use your invested Facebook spends when it comes to pushing your campaign forward. Hope that makes sense. Let me know if you've got any questions, and yeah, I'll speak to you soon. Okay, great stuff. So I'm hoping that you actually found that quite easy to do. The Facebook pixel is just absolute gold. We really need that as a piece of code in order to monitor the campaign, so I can then judge, or you can judge exactly how our campaign is doing. So hopefully you found that quite straightforward. If you like this video, then awesome. Feel free to subscribe, hit that like button, and also leave a comment below to this video. Every single week I offer to 3 new subscribers my business bundle, which includes a lead gen fix service, a survival kit for your business, along with 2 business trainings, and also a done for you funnel. So depending on where you are, there is a funnel for you. I can absolutely guarantee that. If you also like what you see in terms of mindset, I do some I've got a playlist, mindset playlist. I also have a marketing playlist, along with business playlist, and also oh, I've got loads of playlists. Check out my YouTube video, my selection, my YouTube channel, for all the types of videos. And yeah, I also have a quality client generation Facebook group. I tend to hang out more so on Facebook than what I do YouTube, so feel free to find the link below. jenlillian.com is where you can also browse my courses, and yeah, I'm here to help you. So if you are wanting any further help, you know where I am. I've got your back. I know how frustrating things can get sometimes when it comes to running businesses. So yes, I'm here. It's a business I see as an extension of you. So if you can get your business, you know, all hunky-dory, all you know, good and operating well, then life just becomes awesome, doesn't it? So I want you to get to that place, especially if you have been struggling on how to nail this lead generation part of your business. All right then, thanks for listening, and I will see you in the next video.